Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C615F Night Vision. This camera has this floodlight and also spotlight and infrared light, right? So it's working right now here on my balcony, and you see here the live image with the infrared light, so there's no color. And then I can control the lights. If I just come here, for example, I can turn on and turn off the floodlight. So I just press here and it starts counting. See here the image changed a little bit and goes to color because now I have this big light here, or the floodlight, working back there, and the counter come here to 0 again, and the floodlight is going to turn off. There we go, it turns off, and then the infrared light comes back again. So it's basically working like this, right? The floodlight comes up and then it takes some time, like 15 seconds, and then it gradually comes off, turns off. And sometimes you can just use the spotlight here instead. I'll just come here to the settings so you see basically how it works. Here on the settings, you're gonna find the spotlight settings, right? So the floodlight settings, sorry. When you come here, you see the brightness from 15 to 100%. So it comes like this, and then you can just go all the way up to high. And if you come back here, it shows that it's 100%. Okay? There's this option here to gradually turn off the light. So if you enable this one, the floodlight will slowly increase or decrease when the light is on or off. And the auto off timer. Right now it's 15 seconds. So when the light goes on, it takes 15 seconds to turn off again gradually, right? And you can use 15 to 5 minutes. Of course, that's going to drain the battery even faster. 15 seconds is the one to go. And here see the auto on settings as well. Basically here is the distance. Let's say somebody is approaching your camera, your home, and here you can just control the distance for the detection. You see here the graph shows the person needs to be pretty close to the camera. And when you increase here the sensitivity, you see here that it goes further away, right? There we go. It's a nice graph to show here what's going on, okay? So basically the sensor detecting when somebody approaches the camera, then the floodlight is going to turn on and it stays for 15 seconds. And then it's going to turn off gradually. And the extended on time, basically 3 seconds here, is the time when the camera is going to detect somebody. And if there is no detection anymore, after 3 seconds, it starts the auto off timer, all right? Then you can control also when it's going to work, night mode, during the nighttime, sunset to sunrise, or you can have a custom time here and you can select the weekday, repeat, and the time as well. So you can just stay here and save, and there we go. So the camera will be working like this. And then you have here the control of the spotlight and infrared light, which is different. It's in a different location here. So you just need to come here to the video and display. And from here you see night mode settings, infrared mode right now. There we go. So you're gonna see black, white. And if you change here to full color mode, you see the spotlight is going to turn on. Now is the spotlight here on the camera. Okay, it's not the floodlight, but the spotlight here. It's working, and then you can see the image here with color as well. But the behavior is different. It's going to stay on. It's not gonna to turn off gradually like the floodlight does. And here you can control the brightness as well. You see from 1 to 5. Let me just come back here to 1. You see, change it a little bit. You still see colors here. Then 3. There we go. See a little bit of the difference there. And finally 5. Okay, see, pretty bright. So it works pretty fine. And you can now check everything using the floodlight or the spotlight, right? So I hope that helps. That's the way the night vision works on this camera. Again, this is the Tapo C615F. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.